Black spots on your car's paint can ruin its look. But with the right tools and techniques, you can safely restore that showroom shine. An all-purpose cleaner effectively breaks down stubborn black spots without damaging your car's paint. Start by spraying a quality all-purpose cleaner directly onto the black spots on your car's paint surface. Make sure to apply a generous amount. Let the cleaner sit for about 5 minutes. This dwell time allows it to loosen tough residue. After 5 minutes, use a pressure washer to rinse the area. Focus the spray on each individual black spot to lift it off the paint. You'll start to notice the spots coming off with the pressure. Continue rinsing until all the black spots are completely removed. Once you're done, you'll see a noticeable difference: a clean, restored surface that looks fresh and well maintained. Quick Detailer Spray provides a slick surface that helps the clay bar glide smoothly, making it easier to lift off black spots without scratching the paint. Start by spraying the affected surface with a quick detailer spray. Then, apply a few squirts of the same spray onto a clay bar to lubricate it. Next, gently rub the clay bar over the affected paint surface using light pressure. The clay bar will pick up the majority of the black spots bonded to the paint. Continue this process for about 5 to 10 minutes. As you go, you'll notice just how much contamination the clay bar removes. Once done, wipe the surface clean with a fresh microfiber cloth to remove any residue left behind. However, some black spots may still remain stuck to the paint surface. To tackle these, apply a small amount of 3D cutting compound polish to a clean microfiber cloth. Then, rub the compound directly onto the remaining black spots, using circular motions and light pressure. This polishing step will help break down and remove any black spots still bonded to the clear coat, leaving your paint smooth and clean. Another effective method for removing black spots is to wash the car with a high-quality citrus foam shampoo, which effectively removes dirt and surface contaminants. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to allow the citrus foam to loosen black spots and bonded contaminants, making them easier to wash away. Next, rinse the car thoroughly with clean water using a pressure washer to remove all loosened dirt and residue from the surface. Then, choose a high-quality iron fallout remover and apply it evenly across the car's paint surface to target and dissolve embedded iron particles and brake dust. Finally, rinse the car thoroughly once more to remove any remaining product and contaminants. By following these methods, you will effectively eliminate even the most stubborn black spots and keep your car looking spotless and well maintained.